Hi Virgo, welcome to your reading. Hope you're having a wonderful day. And this reading is for you if your sun, moon, rising, or Venus is in the sign of Virgo. You are an earth sign, and this reading is from 5th of April to 20th of April. So let's see what are these 15 days going to bring in for us. From whatever reading I have done up till now for the rest of the zodiac signs, I have found more of energy work during these 15 days. So let's see what is it for you. There is one card from the Shaman Oracle that I had picked up for you, was the Seer in reverse. Okay, the Seer in reverse. So the Seer in reverse is actually a medicinal card which says that you are about to see the truth. You're about to come to a point wherein you are only and only required to say, see, feel and understand truth. It will be a little painful for you, but it will actually clear the air for you. And do not be in the denial mode. That won't help. It is actually kind of a medicinal situation that you will fall into in these 15 days, and that will bring in about a major change that will lead you to abundance. Okay, so do not be in the denial, accept the change. Okay, let's see what these ancient symbols from my symbol augury card, which of these symbols are guiding my dear Virgos in these 15 days. The Seer, come out of your denial, see only truth, hear only truth, no diplomatism or sugarcoating, because that won't help. Okay, so which is the symbol for the Virgos? Okay, this wants to come out. Stop. See, this is a card which this is the symbol that was used in the ancient times to denote halt or stop. So there is a stop or a halt at the moment, and that is what the Seer is also saying, that something is definitely coming to an end. There is something that is not in your highest good, and that is how the divine is trying to bring in a halt and a stop in the whole journey. So stop. Also, I just said that come out of that denial mode. So stop the denial mode, let things go the way they have to go, trust the divine order. In terms of switch words, you can keep repeating together divine order, together divine order. Okay, so that is wherein you actually say that I am one with the divine and I let the divine order prevail in my heart, mind, soul, energy. Let's see what my Atlantis card, which of the Atlantic beings are helping Virgos. Okay, a lot of letting go and all that is there. Let's see. So we have materialization. Okay, be very clear about probably this stop is very important for you, or this reversed Seer is very important, because probably you're moving in a wrong direction. You were moving in the right direction, but you got deviated. So it's time for you to this number is also 45. So 45 is the number of ending, a phase ending. Here materialization is the card which talks about that probably you have to be very clear what you want in life. Okay, what is the main priority? Peace, money, career, health. What is it of your priority at the moment? Okay, what you want, and just be clear that you want it. Okay, most of the times we just want a good life, but we don't do anything because we really don't understand that we want it. Okay, most of the times money is not that important, but peace is important. Have that clarity, vision, focus in your vision, so that there is no doubt or deviation, so that you can manifest. So manifestation never happens for people who are who have have split thoughts. One day they think I'll manage on my own. The other day they think, oh, some help can be there. The other day they would think some magic may happen. So the whole idea is, if you really want to manifest that bounty which the seer is trying to bring in, it's important to come out of that denial mode or doubting mode and be very clear, because I just said you are deviating. You were on the right path but you deviated, so probably you started having doubts, so you started listening to people a lot. It's time to stop doing that, and it's time for you to connect back to your own pure energy and stop that deviation. Have that focus in your vision and clarity, so that you can manifest. That single thought that of yours can manifest an amazing life of yours, but that single thought should be in sync with the pure energy without any doubt. Okay, let's see which crystal or archangel is guiding Virgo for this for these 15 days or 2 weeks time. Definitely there is some completion or something definitely, something that you're doing which needs to, you have to really move on from there. Some path changing or path deviation or something of that sort. Virgo, what are you doing? Where did you go wrong, Virgo? Okay, so this, I think this crystal wanted to come out. Now, Chariot is asking you to go within and call upon your spirit guides, ascended masters, angels, so that they can give you inspiration to transform your life. It is again saying, it is asking question, are you finding the life is out of control? We just talked about that deviation, okay? Do you really want to sort out exactly what is the reason for this chaos? So probably I just said that, you know, you were on the right path, you deviated, there is some chaos that you created for your own self, and it is saying that, you know, you feel that now the life is out of control, and that is wherein you want to manifest something in your life, but the path that you have taken is wrong, and that is why the seer in reverse has come as a medicine for you, so that you can stop the wrong way of manifesting things in your life. And this crystal Chariot is actually asking you to go within, connect with your ascended master, spirit guides, your divine, the angels, whosoever you believe onto, and ask for the inspiration that what you need, what you should be doing, and where did you go wrong in the whole transformation process. Okay, so that's wonderful, isn't it? Now let's dive a little deeper through our tarot cards. So we are going to dive deeper into what was that deviation all about, what are we trying to manifest. That bounty that the seer was talking about is definitely abundance and prosperity. How is you know, this going within, what you know, some more light on this. Let's see Virgo, ascended master, spirit guides and angels, please guide us, guide we Virgo to have that right direction. What is that right direction? Can you please throw some light over it? Okay, eight of air, you are stuck. You're totally stuck and you're asked to fly high, come out of this stuck energy. That is what you have to stop. That is why the seer came. That is why you are not able to manifest. And you are asked to manifest in the correct way and have that focus. Because you lost your focus, you're depending on somebody else for your happiness. You want somebody else to come and free you. This is just mental. It is not in actual. It is just your mental movie that you're making. And that's why it is saying that you are finding your life out of control, because you're giving the control in somebody else's hand. Maybe divine, you just want a magic to happen without karma, creating any karma. Then comes the Nine of Fire. Nine of Fire is a card of re-evaluation. Probably you are doing a lot of hard work in the wrong direction. So some re-evaluation, some waiting, some re-strategizing is important. Rethinking is important. Nine of Fire is that. Okay, again 9 so definitely you are almost on the verge of finishing this whole cycle. Let's see. 4 of 5. So yes, then comes the bounty that we were talking about, the abundance we were talking about. 4 of air is kind of a celebration with the group of people you really like. It can be meeting somebody new, and it is more to do with that emotional, energetic connect with the people. Okay, it is a good card, it's a yes card, it's a celebration card, it's like meeting somebody like-minded. Okay, in many cases this is also called some celebration or some party or some marriage maybe. 4 of fire or 4 of wands is a 1111 card, so it's a card of um, you know marriage, some kind of contract that way. Okay, yet another card, ace of air. Ace of air is ace of swords, so there is mental clarity. We just talked about focus, right? So mental clarity is what is ace of air talking about. It's a very powerful card. It says that you will have some divine revelation, some situation that will just cut and stop. It will stop the whole flow of energy in the wrong direction so that you can manifest. And that stoppage and this fear which is coming as a medicine for you is actually the sword, is the ace of air. It is very similar to these cards. It's like, no, I think you're doing it wrong. So that is why these cards were saying, this card was saying, connect back to your divine, go within, ask for inspiration so that you can manifest, because you're depending too much into outside world and not your own self. So reevaluate yourself so that you can have the bounty that the seer is confirming, the manifestation, materialistic manifestation that you want to have, or the relationship or maybe marriage that you're wanting to manifest, or some relationship that you want to manifest. And here comes the interference from the divine again. So it's a very divinely guided 15 days time, coming as a warning that, hello, your parents are saying that, oh, you took a wrong lane, correct your course. Virgo, wow. Archangel Michael also, many psychic readers consider ace of air as the sword of Archangel Michael. So I don't know if that connects back to you. King of fire. He's king of wands, so he has that charisma, he has that energy to turn around situation, to motivate people. Nobody can actually stand in front of the creative energy he has. He has a very powerful creative energy with ace of air and king of fire and 4 of fire. I believe a lot of fire energy with you is there. Yeah, it is more of fire and air energy. So I think it's time for you to gain back that balance and not get deviated. This king of fire is a king who is like who has his set rules. You cannot mold it. You cannot influence him. He's mature energy. He has that energy, enigma, that charisma. He has that passion, that ambition to achieve that bounty, that prosperity, that materialism. And this card again comes. This is yet another 10 of fire. I believe you should really work on your solar plexus, because fire life element is associated with your solar plexus. In the description box you have fire life element meditation for solar plexus. 10 of fire is, see, 9 and 10 is coming a lot. Okay, so 10 of fire is wherein you are just about to finish. It's 9 turns to 10. You have 9 of fire and then 10 of fire. So 9 turns to 10 and 10 is completion. So you're almost done with this journey and you're about to begin a new life, but you are stuck while traveling from the 9 to 10. Okay, so just one step and you are stuck at the one step behind. So just don't give up here. Just do not just reevaluate the whole process once again, and a final push is required. So all the best, Virgo. Let me know in the comment box how it goes, how these 15 days go for you, because it's a very divinely guided journey. Work on your solar plexus, work with fire life element, The link is in the description box. And all the best. Please take care of yourself.